Just in time. Introduction. Starting point of concept making the most of Japanese characteristics. The most distinctive feature of Japan is the lack of natural resources, which makes it necessary to import vast amounts of materials, including food. Japan is placed under a disadvantageous condition in terms of a cost of raw material when compared to the European and American countries. To overcome this handicap, it is essential for the Japanese industries to put forth their best efforts in order to produce better quality goods, having higher added value and at an even lower production cost than those of the other countries. This was the first thing that Toyota recognized. The second distinctive feature is that Japanese concept of work, such as consciousness and attitude, differed from that held by the European and American workers. The Japanese traits include 1. Group consciousness, sense of equality, desire to improve, and diligence born from long history of a homogeneous race. 2. High degree of ability resulting from higher education brought by desire to improve. 3. Centering their daily living around work. Definition. Just in time. JIT is intended both to optimize materials delivery timing and to minimize inventory quantities by specifying delivery of material to workstations as needed to implement production scheduling. Just-in-time system was first invented and used by Toyota in 1940. Toyota's JIT production is a method of adapting to changes due to troubles and demands changes by having all processes produce the necessary goods at the necessary time in the necessary quantities. The first requirement for JIT production is to enable all processes to know accurate timing and required quantity. The objectives of JIT is to 1. To be more responsive to customers. 2. To have better communication among departments and suppliers. 3. To be more flexible. 4. To achieve better quality. 5. To reduce product cost. Concept. Just in time means, for example, that in the process of assembling the parts to build a car, the necessary kind of sub-assemblies of the preceding processes should arrive at the product line at the time needed in the necessary quantities. If just in time is realized in the entire firm, then unnecessary inventories in the factory will be completely eliminated, making stores or warehouses unnecessary. The inventory carrying costs will be diminished, and the ratio of capital turnover will be increased. JIT tries to smooth the flow of materials from the suppliers to the customers, thereby increasing the speed of the manufacturing process. Case: Toyota produces quality products efficiently by eliminating waste generated in the production process, inconsistencies, and unnecessary items. To fulfill orders from customers as quickly as possible, we efficiently manufacture vehicles in the shortest possible time by adhering to the following. 1. When a vehicle order is received, the production request must be given to the vehicle production line as soon as possible. 2. The assembly line shall be stocked as needed so that any type of vehicle request from a customer can be assembled immediately. 3. The assembly line shall replace the parts used by taking components from the parts production process, previous process. 4. The previous process should be stocked with a small number of parts and produce only the number of parts taken by the operator in the next process.
Yes, see you on
Feel
the
okay?
top.
Feeling good?
Okay, see you on the top.
Yes.